feel your love. I just wanna feel your love.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Aryan. Today we're gonna be playing Star Blocks slash Star Wars, but it's in Roblox. Okay, so where you wanna go?
So, how much
Story
is
mode, right? Oh yeah, story mode.
What is it?
Story mode.
Story mode. Is there only story mode? Is there no free play?
Yeah. Okay. Wait. So episode 1, Bay Clone Army. Okay. Wait. So let's go in this one.
There's a lot.
No. Over here. No. Yeah, over here. Right? Bra. Hey. Okay.
It's only empty. Hi.
Till we wait for the thing to go.
Yes. Where's he going to loading bay because
I'm just dancing, okay? Don't mind me. I'm just dancing over here because I'm waiting.
Congratulations.
I'm literally.
Yeah. Oh. Episode 1 backclone blah 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 blah
Hey,
blah
dude, this is just the intro in Star Wars. Dude, that's awesome.
blah blah blah.
Recently, an unusual amount of dark energy has been detected by the Great Constitution in an icy planet called Sorka. The same planet where one of the largest dark regiment. Wow, such a hard word. Okay, pilot hunter has been.
Can I be honest, Adi?
Yes.
Can I be honest? I actually have never seen Star Wars before.
Dude, I have also not seen it, but the intro is exactly the same, but kinda different.
Oh, is it? I don't even realize because I'm so bad at Roblox.
Dude, it's fun. Okay, cutscene time. Drumroll, please. I just got a badge called Sorka War. Okay.
Yeah, I know. I also got a badge. It's because maybe you started.
Dude, all these badges are freebies. You know, matlab, you just have to play the game just to get it. Hey, look at me, I'm right there. Dude, you're literally inside a bacon here.
I'm inside a bacon here.
You're literally one with the bacon, man.
Yeah, you know, Adi, I was just like this when I lost my arm. I was robot.
Dude,
Yeah.
you lost you're Mr. P. Okay, dude, I have not played this once, so I don't even know what to do. Oh, you gotta break the boulders. Dude, where's my lightsaber?
Wait, the hunter guy is saying
Hey,
that
dude, you get a pew gun? You get a pew?
Can we cut down trees? He said we of cutting trees.
Dude, this is amazing.
Hey, I'm cutting a tree.
Wait, you can cut a tree?
Wait, I got a point.
Wait, did you? I gotta cut down the tree. Okay, guys. A reminder. Cutting
My
down
tree,
trees.
my tree.
Dude, wait. Guys, a quick reminder, cutting down trees in real life is very bad. You should not do it. Only if you're playing a game and if the game asks you to cut a tree, you probably have to do it. So, yeah. Okay, wait. Yeah, so don't do what we are doing, okay? This is just for the sake of the game. Don't do what we are doing, okay? I mean, if you, do it in a game, okay? Don't do it in real life. Don't do it in IRL. Dude, you said Saber to destroy this iPhone. Dude, thank you for using the word destroy. Dude, dude, you know when this guy said, Dad, you know Hunter told that we have to destroy this ice wall. He should probably use annihilate the ice wall, you know.
Yeah, get like
That's a stronger word. Okay, so we got okay.
What?
Says don't walk, okay? You can walk around, but don't walk because you'll fall. Dude, looks like we have to looks like they destroyed the bridge. Okay, so I think we have to go through here.
Maybe what happens if I try to please?
Finally. Hit. Dude, I'm literally hitting there. I'm there. Fine. Let's go. Dude.
Yeah.
So this is the easiest thing. Like this is the easiest story I've ever done in my life.
I blasted out.
Why do I? Okay. Okay, so this game is pretty hard. Okay, okay. You know what I'm gonna do? Slash E, hello. Hello, Bacon. Oh, wait. Oh, slash E wave. It is. Hello, Bacon Mans. Dude, don't go near that. I think you'll die. I mean, oof. Okay, I meant oof. Wait, said, do you want to go near it? Is this a wall or is this just a projection or something? Okay, I'm gonna go near. Oh, dude, you don't take damage. You don't take damage. You don't take damage. You don't take damage.
Come here, bro. Let me shoot you in the face.
But dude, this guy already took some damage. How? Oh, there we go. I hacked. Dude, that was scary. Like I'm like walking and get ready. Once we get in, things are going to get ugly. Dude, not even joking. They are trespassing the gate. Alert, our captain. Dude, they're literally stormtroopers, but in bacon form. You know what I mean? Bruh, you want me to annihilate you right now? Okay, bruh, I literally one shot at this guy. Bruh. Dude, you want a melee fight right now? Yeah, do a backs. Okay, I'm not. Dude, dude, can I just please annihilate you, please? Hello, dude. Dude, here's the boss. Here's the boss. Move him. There we go. Got him, boy. That's where I'm. Oh, you got him. Okay, good. Okay, there's one guy. Okay, there we go. I see one. Dude, I already have 160. Oh, you gotta hack this. Oh man.
No, I want to wreck things. No, like get wrecked. Okay, yeah.
Wait, you. Oh no, man, come on. Okay, wait, I cannot see. Oh, that's my pet. Oh my.
We already hacked the terminal. Adi, notice how we hacked the terminal so fast that he hasn't even said to hack them yet.
Sorry guys for pausing right there. Okay, sorry guys for pausing right there. Something happened to my computer. It just randomly went off. I don't know why.
Anyway, yeah, we're back where we started or something.
Actually, yeah, we are back where I left. You know, we're back where I kind of my computer broke or something. Okay, shoot this guy. Dude, I'm literally shooting bullets at all of this guy. Red Cyclone. They passed the second door. Activate the turret.
Oh no, is that bad?
Dude, yeah, it's bad if you get hit. Oh, dude, this guy has a force field. Yeah, then it's bad. Yep, it's bad.
It's
So bad right now, boy.
better to get wrecked. Hey, get it.
Dude, I hate when the dialogue starts, right? You cannot switch your weapons. I hate that. You know, you're supposed to do that.
Destroy the satellite.
Dude, you're taking damage. Go back. Bruh. Okay, attack the force field. Oh, you gotta attack this thing, I think.
No.
You? No.
Don't do it.
Dude, what? Dude, do you have to hack? Oh wait, do you have to hack this? I don't know. Wait, you cannot go there. Dude, what do you? Oh wait. Oh, this gives you health. This gives you health, I think. Oh wow. Dude, what do you gotta do to destroy this guy?
You have to destroy the satellite.
Oh, how did I not know that?
The guy is telling you and you still didn't notice it.
Dude, I don't have time to notice the dialogues. I'm playing. Dude, I'm sounding so mean. Okay, attack! Not this. Oh wait, I thought you were supposed to annihilate this guy. I didn't know we have to annihilate the turret. I thought we had to annihilate the red Baclon.
I think we have to destroy the turret.
Okay, now. Dude. Now, dude, you know what this is for? You know what this thing is for? We need a bacon mask. We need this kind of a mask. Yeah. Okay, I think I saw. Oh, yeah, dude. You gotta. Okay, come on. Come on. Dude, go! Dude.
Listen here, I'm gonna get my laser gun out because you never know.
No, dude. Dude, how in the world is that? Oh, dude, that guy, he stayed over there. He stayed. Can you jump like that? Dude, you can't. No. Dude, why? Okay, dude, what the heck is this guy?
What the? My head looks so fat.
Dude, how in the world do you... Oh, you gotta grab this stuff.
What?
How,
Doesn't
oh,
my
where?
head look so
Where? Oh my god, dude, my head looks so...
big,
what,
right?
what in the
It
world is
looks
this?
fat.
It does not... I don't know if it looks fat, but... Yeah, dude. Dude, those guys inside these masks must be so hot right now, right?
Let's be like, oh, I hate these guys.
Okay, this guy scanned himself. Okay, I'm gonna keep my lightsaber. Seriously? Nice mask. Hee. Very good. Very cute joke. Are we supposed to annihilate this thing also?
I'm gonna
Hunter,
shoot lasers
you...
at it.
Hunter, please. You gotta come in fast, okay? We don't have time. We gotta destroy these guys, okay?
Let's go.
Do this. Oh, dude. Why in the world can I not stand on this NPC / Hunter?
I don't think he has collisions on or something.
Wait, does not have what now?
He doesn't have collisions. Matlab, you cannot stand on
Oh,
it.
okay. Yeah. Okay, like that. Okay.
Get ready, rookie.
So, matlab, in this game, wait, in this, oh, dude, in this game, I don't think there's no player collision. That's why we cannot go. No, yeah, there's no. Okay, finally, we made it down.
These people are probably get
Dude, I am low HP, dude. I'm low HP.
Uh-oh. Adi, I will protect you.
Yeah, protecting you.
Get wrecked.
Oh, dude, no. Now in this one, you have to be full stealth mode. Okay, full. No, if you be seen by these guys, you're dead. No, you're not dead. They'll shoot you and bring you down. Wow, dude, this guy's a complete pro at this game. Okay, dude, can I move, please? Oh, wait, do you have to go on top for this? Dude, why? How in the world did he make it?
I don't think he has any weapons also.
Wait. Okay, now can you go? Dude, this guy is literally so...
The guy talks too much.
Dude, this hunter guy, he talks too much, dude. This is full time consuming. Dude, now look at a hunter, okay? He just goes in... Oh, dude, okay, I'm dead. I'm dead!
Ready to get wrecked.
Okay, guys, so I'm back at this part. Jeez, that took so much time. Okay, so now I'll remember not to go on those bacon guys, whatever you call them, whatever you want to
Also,
call.
Adi, before we do that, we have to wait like 30 minutes until this guy can complete what
Yeah, dude, we have to wait like 5 months for this guy to get over.
He talks too much.
Yeah, there is no way we can fight those Bakelons without attracting the attention.
By the way, just saying, those are really good turrets. Like, those look fancy.
Yeah. Nice, strong, nice. Okay.
What happens if I kill a thingy? Like, what happens?
I don't think you can oof them.
I'm gonna try.
Dude, how in the world did that bacon get up here? Dude, I want to do
He
that.
probably did not have a weapon on his
Dude,
hand.
I don't think the weapon gains does any weight. Okay. Dude, look at Hunter, dude. He just walks straight past.
Ooh. I gotta wait.
Dude, me too, dude. Bye bye. Yeah, is he coming to me? Wait, you didn't take any damage? Oh, I also didn't take any damage, but okay, can we defeat them? Can we defeat all those Bakelons? Let's find out.
Actually, no. They will say some big speeches and all that stuff, and then.
Dude. They're not even looking at us. They're listening to the Red Bakelon speech or whatever you want.
Why there's so many red backlons?
No. See the Red Bakelons, right? They are the leader of each army. So like the first army which we fought, right? That was that Red Bakelon was their leader. The second army leader is this guy. Okay, so it's kind of like that.
So it's like the general kind of thing.
Yeah, same thing. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, look at me.
Okay. So what we have to do is tiptoe to that vent, okay? Because it's conveniently. It's convenient. Okay, I cannot even say that. It's convenient. Okay, oh, goddamn it. Okay, it just placed there. Okay, it's placed
Yeah,
there.
it's conveniently placed.
Yes. Dude, I had that word in my mouth, in my mind, and I could say it, okay? Now, whenever I'm nervous, it just gets jumbled. Conveniently. There we go.
Alright, what am I doing? Dude.
open. Wait. Okay, I opened it. Okay. Okay. Now this part is very hard. Okay. You can touch the sewer water. This part is absolutely hard. I've seen videos of people playing this game. Okay, it's very hard. So in order to get, see, look, see, can you see those bars over there? We have to hit them. Okay, in order to go. So in
Okay.
order to get there, we have to stop these gases or whatever from doing that.
Like, how do you stop the gases?
Yeah, we have to go in this toxic waste thingamajig, and then we have to do something to to
There's special stinky
stop the
water.
gas.
It's technically this stinky water. Is that bad?
This stinky water is not. It's not. The sewer water. It's water mixed with some green food coloring. Okay, it's not
Yeah.
sewer water.
It's called leftovers in water. They're
Oh,
toxic.
okay. You can. Okay, sir. You wait here. Okay, let me do. Okay, actually, you also come. You also come. Wow, this door literally kicked me so hard. Okay, okay. So go in first person. Okay, go in first person. That's the best.
Okay.
No, if you want. Oh, found it. I found the lever. I found the lever. Okay, okay. You just go to the exit. Seriously, seriously, another one of these stupid cutscenes. Okay.
Any movie doesn't.
Hey, okay. Okay. Come on. Hit them. Hit them.
I think we need a gun. Oh, we need a gun. You shoot the target, please.
Now, oh, now destroy the bus. Destroy the bus. Oh, we have to do it with the thing. Oh.
There we go. Yeah.
Dude, I hit them like 3 times. There we go. Got one.
Yeah,
Got 3. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, so now walk up these stairs. How in the world are we? Okay, let's get out of this stinky place.
I'm already trying to do that.
Dude, that's so good. Oh no, I fell.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Now
Wait,
this is
there's
the. Okay, now this is the main leader of the full army. Okay, the full army. Okay, I think that's the main leader.
Okay.
I don't know. Okay, maybe I'm wrong.
The
Oh,
guy,
dude, you
the
also
guy
fell.
is bragging about how big his fish was.
Once you open the sewer gate, great. Wow, he misspelled that. He told sewer great.
Actually,
Okay.
it is called sewer grade. It's not called sewer grade.
Is it? I don't know
Yeah,
that.
it's called sewer grade.
Prepare for war. Hello, you didn't see me. Bye bye. Okay, you gotta annihilate this guy.
Welcome to my quality of death because you shall die. Wait, what is this?
What
Wait,
the?
I just grabbed something. What is this?
What? What did you
I
grab?
don't know, I grabbed something.
Oh, I got an extra heart thingamajig. Dude, why is the guy chilling in the fire? He's just chilling in the fire.
Hey,
What?
look at this.
Oh, you need that. You have to put it in this thing. You have to put it in this thing. Oh,
Oh,
yeah. Put
okay,
it in
okay.
this. Put it in this.
Oh, wait,
You can put
I
it.
have to stop. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wait, we have to find 3 of these?
No, we have to turn it.
Oh, we have to turn it. Okay, wait, I'll do that part. You do that. Okay. Do you? Oh, there we go.
Okay, I
Done.
turned
There
it.
we go. Done. For me, done.
Go on, open.
Dude, there's another guy. Oh, dude, there's another guy chilling over here.
Look me. Ah,
Dude, I've got so many coins.
congratulations.
I have like 200 bucks slash coins.
I only have 100 because I spent all my money on the.
The lightsaber.
Yeah, on like.
Dude, you had 250, right? You man, it was 250, right? Oh, so you collected her. Okay. Pe pa 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 pee pa 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 pa
I need to charge my laptop. Where's the charger thing?
Say what?
I need to charge my laptop. Hold on.
Oh my god. Sej, you done fixing your thing? Sej.
Okay, I'm done.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, where am I? What's happening?
Okay, are you in a cutscene where 3 guys are being, they're doing something?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
yeah.
Fine. You're with me. Okay.
Okay, so what did the guy say?
I was not reading, but basically it was just them blabbering about something. About some turret, about some, okay. Attack! Pepe! Pepe. I've been singing a lot, please. Why am I following you? Follow me, bro. I'm the best player. Actually, no, I'm not, but follow me. Okay, guys, collect hearts. I need the hearts because it regens my health. Oh man, you stole that heart.
Oh, did I? Sorry.
Oh, wait, you're supposed to break these boulders down, I think. Yeah,
Wait, the guy is probably supposed to say that we have to break the boulders, then
they covered this. Oh my god, why?
oh,
Break it, break it, break it, break, break it, break it, break it, break, 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 break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. Okay, there we go. So boys, I'm just gonna annihilate you right over here. Can I annihilate them? Dude, these guys are actually shooting now. Now it's gonna get hard. Okay, I probably should do it in third person. Can you give me some hearts? Can any of these guys give me some hearts because I need to regen right now? Dad, if you find a heart, please give it. Like just leave it there. I need it. Oh man. No wait, let me go physical. Let me just. Dude, why do I not regen? Dude, my heart is my HP is so low.
Hey, does anyone have mask? Oh, wait, the guy's right here.
No wait. Dude, move, you move. Dude, seriously. Come on. Come on, man. Why did he not drop a heart?
I'm Captain Polino.
Is it? Wait, what? Oh, okay. Dude, over there there are. Dude, I wish you could run in this game.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it's kind of.
Seriously? You can't see this? Okay, now how are you supposed to do it like this?
Oh, it's another like hit the target.
I hate this, dude.
Ali
Okay.
doesn't like shooting targets.
I hate shooting targets. Dude, good one, dude. Adi does not like targets. Okay, you want? Oh, okay, you scan it. Chalo, you scan. Wait, seriously, you didn't grab a mask?
I thought you had the mask, so I was like, what?
Dude, I'm literally gonna look back. Dude, they still accepted. Okay, wait, let the laser go. Okay, there we go.
What? The dumb guy has to speak.
Okay. Oh wait, I thought the barriers were not out. Okay.
Oh, hello.
Wait.
Go back to get
Oh, hello. Okay, so that I think no. Okay, this is the main leader of everything. This is the main leader of the full thing. Star
Yeah.
blocks.
Now I'm gonna slice him into 3 million pieces. So
That's technically not possible, but yeah. Haha, this far from over.
yeah,
This
whatever.
is far from over.
Oh,
Dude, why in the world is Captain Platino using that animation, dude? Can't he not just use a normal animation? You know?
Yeah.
He's literally like, doing some.
Yep.
You know-
Then good like 3
Okay.
houses.
Dude, this is easy, dude.
Well,
Okay.
see. Yeah.
Okay, you take the middle. I'll take the. Okay, just do whatever you need to do. Dude, I am dead almost. I'm oofing literally. I'm so dead. Dude, please drop. Yes, hearts. Dude, I need hearts. Oh, but there's one. Yes, hearts. Yes, I got it. Dude, you're lucky that you have like so much health.
There's somebody here.
Oh, you're supposed to go there.
Um,
Yeah, over here, and you're gonna turn it, I think. Oh. These blade clones are endless. Okay, turn the yellow wheels. Okay, on both sides. Okay, set. 3, 2, 1, turn. Okay, turn. Okay, and second one done. There we go.
yeah.
Captain Platino, prepare for war. You're gonna be annihilated by the two of us. B and Sage.
Prepare to get wrecked.
Hey, was that thing laggy when it opened for you?
Actually, yeah, it kind of was.
Yeah, for me also.
Wait, I think
Okay,
we should pause it.
Sage, for a reminder, I might oof in this. So yeah. Okay, guys, the viewers, if I oof, this video ends. Seriously, I'm not even joking.
He said, I will
Dude,
protect you.
Sage,
I'll protect you.
Says I wish there was a spectate button, okay, so I could spectate you. Okay, I'm supposed to go now. Okay, Sage. So now.
Go ahead, go ahead.
No, I need the hearts.
Take the heart.
Wait, there's the hearts. Dude, you're taking the hearts. I think you're taking it. Right, okay. Oh, there we go. One heart for me. Let's go. Okay, now this guy, dude, now we are the barriers will open. Well, these things will become into a barrier kind of a thing.
Yeah, I guess. Oh!
Okay. Dude, you're so oofed. I mean, you're so dead. I'm also. Oh, come on, man. I'm gonna oof so bad. Oh, dude, you're dead.
No,
You're literally
wait.
dead.
No.
Wow. Okay, dude, this is hard. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, this is absolutely hard. I'm about to oof. Okay. Dude, I'm so oofed right. Oh, dude, come on. Oh, this guy dropped a heart. Oh, dude, these guys are really shooting right now. Okay, this he dropped a heart. Dude, even the third guy shooting, even the Captain Sachin was shooting. Oh my god. Oh, dude, this is so hard. I wish I had not to take her. Okay. I know. That's right. I'm telling you what is happening right now. Okay, I oofed all those other players. I oofed all those other Baclons. Dude, this guy's shooting randomly. Okay, look, the doors open now. What doors opened? I don't even see any doors open. Oh, you have to shoot that.
Oh, no.
You have to shoot that. have to shoot that. No, yes, he did. He.
Dang it, man. Adi,
Yes.
Adi,
Yep.
all the coins you earn in your mission kind of thing, you all lose it if you die. But you have to complete the entire mission to get the coins.
Oh, dude, that's mean. Dude, now these guys are too OP. Dude, these guys are literally coming where I'm taking a safe place kind of thing. Dude, these guys are too OP now. Oh, okay, I died. Okay, the video ends. Peace.